Guys, on my never-ending quest for efficiency, I was recently drilling out a bathroom vent and a dryer vent. And I was using my hole saw kit, and I started thinking, oh man, there's got to be a better way. I can probably do this in less tools and lighter. And this is my my L-block, and it's got to be 60 pounds or so. I mean, I've got 15 years of accumulated stuff in here. When you start looking at it, I've got all kinds of different hole saws, and I've got some Forstner bits and different stuff. And I started thinking, I don't use half of the stuff. I mean, it's a what-if box, but I've got duplicates, and I've got all kinds of different arbors, and you know, multiple different things here. And I'm like, there's got to be a better way to do this. So, did a little research, and I came across this Big HAWG Carbide Teeth Packout kit by Milwaukee. It's about a $180 kit. It's way less money than all the stuff in here, but it's everything I pretty much need. I mean, I really only use 2 or 3 of these sizes. Comes with a couple of different bits. Couple of things that I do want to comment about it though is they give you the old school arbor. I guess you'd call this an arbor. And I mean, in today's day and age, I just love these quick fit connectings. This one's called Power Change, and it just clicks on like that. These are the old HAWG Carbide tipped hole saws. They've been around forever. And it just clips on. I mean, this is what we should be using. This is fast. This is efficient. The fact that I gotta, you know, screw this on, unscrew this, pull it back, screw it on, line up the 2 holes, push it up, and then screw it back on. That takes way more time than that. So I think Milwaukee could probably improve on the connection, on the quick connect. They could add a quick connect to this, but the kit itself, it's going to resolve a lot of my problems. It's smaller, it's cleaner, and it's got all the sizes I need. I wish there was a little bit more room for some add-ons. You know, I'll probably tuck a few extra bits and maybe another arbor kit in here. But overall, you know, big difference. And this weighs maybe, you know, maybe 15 pounds compared to 50 or 60 with all these bits in it. And these are all dull and beat up and stuff like that. So this is, I think, where I'm going. I definitely want Milwaukee to listen to the quick connect. I think there's a lot of innovation that can be done with these connections, and I think it's just fast and it makes a lot of sense for us. So please consider these connections. This is a great kit. I'm excited to deploy it and to start going through this and getting rid of 90% of it. Take care, guys.